Hey there. Are you ready for an exciting journey into the world of making money with your voice? Imagine using your voice to earn cash, all from the comfort of your own home. I'm Elizabeth, and together, we're about to unveil the secrets of turning your voice into an online money-making machine. So, here's the big question. Can your voice really open doors to making money? Stick around, and you'll get all the juicy details. Step 1. Discovering the awesome side of voiceover. Making money with your voice is way more than just saying words out loud. It's like being a magician who brings stories and characters to life in movies, games, and more. Can you imagine that? Picture this. You're in control, picking projects that interest you and setting your own working hours. But guess what? This is just the beginning of your journey. What if I told you that your voice could be a superhero, a funny sidekick, or even a wise mentor? Your voice can play all these roles and more. And trust me, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Step 2. Let's dive into the money talk. All right, let's tackle the big question. How much green can you really earn? Imagine this. When you're starting out, a quick gig might bring you around $20. But here's the exciting part. As you gain more experience, you could score over $100 for a gig. And hold on to your hat, because sometimes you might even cash in more than $500 for just an hour's work. Sounds like a dream, right? But hold on tight. These numbers don't just appear out of thin air. You've got to put in the time and effort to reach those impressive heights. Step 3. Showcasing your voice. Now, let's get practical. How can you show off your voice talents to potential clients? Imagine your voice is like a beautiful painting, and your portfolio is the gallery where you showcase your masterpieces. Think of it as a menu of what you can do. Commercials, funny characters, serious tones, you name it. Imagine clients scrolling through your portfolio and thinking, wow, this person's got some serious skills. Your portfolio isn't just a collection of recordings, it's the resume of your voice. Step 4. Find your voice's sweet spot. All right, let's tackle the how do I start question. Imagine finding your niche, the special thing that makes your voice stand out. Got a deep, powerful voice? Imagine being the go-to voice for amazing ads or captivating audiobooks. Love to sing? You could rock a YouTube channel or sell your tunes online. And even if your speaking voice is simply pleasant, there's a world of opportunities. Think radio ads, narrating audiobooks, and more. Your voice is like a golden ticket to a variety of adventures. Step 5. Where to share your voice. All right, let's explore the exciting places where you can share your voice and start raking in those earnings. Imagine you've polished your voice skills, and now it's time to showcase them to the world. But where do you begin? Well, my friend, you've got options. Option 1, freelance marketplaces. Imagine platforms where clients are searching for voiceover talent just like you. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Voices.com are like marketplaces where you can showcase your skills, set your rates, and connect with clients looking for voices that match their projects. Option 2, social media. Ever thought about sharing your voice on social platforms? Imagine using Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube to post short voice clips, showcasing your range and style. Who knows, your voice could become your brand's signature sound. Option 3, audiobook narration. Imagine lending your voice to narrate audiobooks. Platforms like ACX, Audiobook Creation Exchange, allow you to audition for narrating gigs. Imagine reading exciting stories and getting paid for it. Option 4, podcasting. Ever dreamed of hosting your own podcast? Imagine discussing topics you're passionate about and sharing your voice with eager listeners. Podcasting platforms like Anchor make it easy to create and distribute your content. Option 5, voiceover marketplaces. Imagine dedicated platforms solely for voice talents. Websites like Voices123 and Bodalgo connect you directly with clients seeking voiceover artists. You audition for projects that match your skills and get paid for your great work. Step 6. Put in effort, reap the rewards. Here's the truth. Success takes effort. Imagine practicing, improving, and taking auditions like a champ. It's not like instant noodles. It takes time to cook up greatness. What if you saw success as a journey, not just a finish line? Imagine the thrill of transforming your voice into a money-making machine. Every step you take brings you closer to your dreams. So, get ready to take the plunge, embrace the adventure, and let your voice be the key to online money-making success. Your voice, your opportunity. Get ready to make it happen.